Namaskar. I am so happy to be with you again. You have been speaking, listening through brain work. Now is the time to speak from heart, listen from heart, more subtler than whispering within. Experiential session towards meditation. Well, meditation happens. What at best we can do is prepare ourselves for meditation. Nothing more than that. How to prepare ourselves for meditation? Through different techniques of pratyahara, samapatti, dharana. All these things are simply preparation. What we are going to do in this session? We have three strata of experiencing. The one, Bhahyakash, through exteroception, Ananta Samapattibhyam. And then we have Antarakash through interoception. Then we slowly transcend automatically towards meditation. Yes, so what we can do here is to maximize our Antarakash, inner world. Let us see how we can do this. The best results would be when you keep your phenomenal self aloof. For example, well, what new he is going to give? Well, he also spoke about it previously. Well, I think it will not appeal. These are the phenomenal self-work. You have to be with your eternal self. Just be with the instructions and finish. So let us have preparation step number 1. It is simply eye closure. That happens. We simply prepare ourselves for eye closure and the eye closure happens. You need not close your eyes because it is karta bhav. We need to have drashta bhav. It should happen. And how? So just without wasting any further time in theory, let us have this practice. So just remain seated in any posture, maybe in your chair, and just look in front, most comfortable way. You can look slanting downwards also. It's up to you. And then eyes are as relaxed as naturally possible. And therefore, blinking is natural, most natural. Sometimes eyes blink after 2 seconds, sometimes 7, sometimes 10, sometimes even 15 seconds. Natural blinking. You are not doing anything with your blinking. Let it happen. Eyes are relaxed. Blinking is normal. Now, at the same time, just peep into your whole body inside in a general way. What is happening there? In a general way. Not a spatial way. General way. What is happening within me? Something is happening, but I don't know how to speak about it. I cannot choose words to describe it. Yes, it is right. And it is in the whole body. You have such feeling. Something is there, but we don't know. Now these two things are there. Blinking is going on most natural way. Blinking is going on most natural way. And at the same time, I am listening to my internal world, whatever is happening within my body, Or if I don't know what it is to be inside my own body, at least keep your attention there within the body. That also will do. So your attention is within your body and the blinking is going on as usual. Blinking is as usual. It would be better if you, in the beginning, close your eyes a little bit so that blinking is better and eye closure is also most natural. And feeling your whole body. And feeling your whole body from inside, both the legs, both the arms, head, chest, abdomen and back. Whole body in a general way, not special way. Remember, in yoga we don't have any special way. In a general way, because then abstract awareness is there. So blinking going on and you feel your body from within. You keep your attention within your body and you will notice any moment eyes would get closed. Maybe suddenly or gradually. And once eyes are closed, there are no flickering moments on your eyelids. Eyelids are calm and quiet. Yes, they're calm and quiet. Number of thoughts are reduced because we have controlled two upapranas, Dhananjay and Kurma, and therefore Chitta also is calm and quiet. Prana and Chitta are interdependent, we know. Yes, some thoughts are still there, but they will not trouble you. They are harmless thoughts. Yes, harmless thoughts. And you feel like continuing with this process. Eyes are calm and quiet. Just listen to your inner being. What is happening there? Just listen. You are not doing anything. You are simply experiencing whatever is happening already within your body. Already within your body. Yes, your breathing has become slow and rhythmic. And if it is not yet rhythmic, no problem. You have to simply attend your breath. Whether it is slow, fast, or erratic. Come what may. Just attend. As if breath body is entering your body and the breath body is going out of your body. The body within the body. Yes, it is happening and we are witnessing. We are feeling. And if changes happen on their own within your breathing pattern, accept and continue to feel that way only. But you are not to change your breath, not to make it slow, please remember. So continue with this. Whatever breath is moving, slow, fast or erratic, just remain with it. You will notice through this practice, your breath not only becomes slow, but it is full of awareness. It is experiential breathing. That is the difference. And now remain in this experiential breathing for half a minute. Just calm, no instructions. Just listen to the music of your experiential breathing within. Just 30 seconds without instructions. Mind may move, thoughts may occur. These are not the problems. Bring your mind back. So smooth way, but little firmly. And calmness is there. We have already sensitized our inner world. Through Pratyahara, we are going to have one more practice which gives tremendous inner experiences. So, Vishaya asamprayoge, chitta sarupanukar ivendriyanam pratyahara. It means we wean our senses away from their object in a positive way. Remember, it is not suppression, nor it is repression. Most natural way. And how? We are feeling the very source of all kinds of experiences we have through our senses. The sources are the tip of the nose. Just breathe in. Feel whatever is happening at the tip of your nose. And as you breathe out, see what is happening there at the tip of your nose. Maybe there are some sensations, maybe some other things. Be open. Don't get restricted into simply sensation. There may be many other things happening. As you breathe in, what is happening there at the tip of your nose? And as you breathe out, what is happening again at the tip of the nose? Breathing in, what is happening? Sensations or anything else? Breathing out, do this 3 times. Breathing in, breathing out. Yes. And now we have weaned ourselves from the slavery of the things which are quite attractive to us as far as our olfactory sense is concerned. We are no more slave to it when we feel this way. And you know, any of the senses, when enslave us, we can get destroyed. That is what Bhagavad Gita says. Yes. And now, tip of the